Past simple versus present perfect. Questions. Past simple. Asking about a specific time in the past. Present perfect. Asking about life experience, no specific time. Have you ever been to California?
Yes, I have. I've been to California a few times.
Were you in California last month?
No, I wasn't. I wasn't in California last month.
When were you in California?
I was there in 2019.
When did you go to California?
I went there 5 years ago.
How many times have you been to California?
I've been there twice so far.
Did you visit California last year?
No, I didn't. I didn't visit California last year.
Did you go to California in 2020?
No, I didn't. I went there in 2019.
Have you been to California this year?
No, I haven't. I haven't been to California this year.
Have you been to California recently?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been to California on a road trip?
Yes, I have. I've taken a road trip through California once. It was amazing.
How many times did you visit California in the past?
I visited California a few times in the past.
Did you go to California with your family?
Yes, I did. I went to California with my family on one trip, and another time I went with friends.
When did you go to California?
I went to California last in 2019.
How long ago did you visit California?
I visited California about 5 years ago.
Did you go to California last summer?
No, I didn't. I didn't go to California last summer.
How many times did you visit California in the past?
I visited California twice when I was younger and once more as an adult.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to practice and stay tuned for our next lesson.